In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Fortinet support. Whether you're facing a technical issue or just have some questions about Fortinet's products, reaching out to their support team can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive in and go through the process together. First, you'll want to start by visiting the official Fortinet website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the Fortinet website URL. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the home page where all the action begins. Now, take a look at the top of the page. You'll see a selection of options, and among them is the Support tab. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to accessing Fortinet's wide range of support services. After clicking on Support, you'll be presented with several options. Here is where you decide on the type of support you need. Fortinet offers a variety of support services tailored to different needs, so it's important to choose the one that best matches your current situation. For example, if you're dealing with a technical problem that needs troubleshooting, you'd want to look for technical support. Alternatively, if you just have some general inquiries or need information about a product, there might be a separate option for that. This step is crucial because selecting the right support category ensures that you're directed to the appropriate resources or personnel who can assist you efficiently. If you're unsure which option to pick, consider the nature of your query or issue. Think about what kind of support will help you resolve your problem most effectively. Once you've made your selection, follow any additional prompts or instructions provided. These might include filling out a form with your contact information and a brief description of your issue. Be as detailed as possible in your descriptions, as this will help the support team understand your situation better and provide you with a more accurate and timely response. Remember, Fortinet's support team is there to help you, so don't hesitate to provide any necessary information or to ask questions if you're unsure about something. By doing so, you can make the process smoother for both yourself and the support personnel. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to getting the support you need from Fortinet. Whether it's resolving a technical issue or simply getting more information, Fortinet's support team is a valuable resource at your disposal. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating the process of contacting Fortinet support.